Hi, my name's Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we just finished installing our part number SOCB7801, which is a complete stainless brake line set for a 1983 Grand Prix or G-body car. So to give you a rundown of what comes with our brake line sets, you get your two master cylinder lines. They're all pre-formed and they have all the factory fittings. Green and blue for the master cylinder, and then green and gold for the proportioning valve itself. You get the left front line, which comes from the proportioning valve and goes to your left front brake hose. You get your right front line, which comes from the proportioning valve, travels across the cross member, and goes into your right front brake hose. Also has the front to rear line that comes all the way from here, all the way to the back of the car, to your rear hose. This kit also includes your rear axle lines, which go from the rear T on the drop hose all the way to each wheel cylinder on each side down the axle.